Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different. It's going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. I have filmed a couple of these, but I never uploaded them because I just got too late in the month to actually upload them to where they would be of any value, at least in my opinion. But I just got this out of the mailbox, and it is a BoxyLuxe box. I upgraded this month, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. And if I sound a little bit out of breath, I just had a coughing fit, so my apologies. But here is the box. It is huge, okay? And I don't have an old BoxyCharm box to show you guys, but they're like half the size of this. So, and this one actually has like a battery notification on it. So I'm very curious to see what is in here. So let's crack this open. It says it's the C-Sun, okay? So C is spelled S-E-A, Sun. C-Sun. I think it's 10 products in here based on the back. Alright, we've got, what is this? Something that says Glam AF. Alright, so this looks like some sort of makeup bag maybe? It says, I think this says Crimes, okay? Crimes of Beauty wristlet, okay? Portable charger. Oh, so there's a little charger in here. Wait, let me see this. Oh, they got something for iPhone. This is cool. This is cool. All right, I take this. I appreciate this. Glam AF. I'm not that big of a fan of AF because I know what it means, and I don't really, I don't talk like that. So, but it's still cute. It's very cute. All right, Pretty Vulgar. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to try this. This is their translucent setting powder. Very cute. Oh, it comes with a little puff. Alright, and this is a translucent powder. Yeah, very nicely, nice and finely milled. You can see it has a little bit of a, you know, more of like an off-white color. It's not like a stark white color, so I'm excited to use this. The next item, Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer. Alright, so this is a body wash infused buffer, so I think this is just like a body sponge that you use in the shower. This is interesting. Oh, in the shape of a star, and it's hard, so I guess you can just rub this on your body. Okay. Built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. So it says place the sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in circular motions to cleanse the skin. Squeeze out excess water after each use. So, okay, that's cool. Never tried anything like that, but that sounds interesting. I did see some people using this on their BoxyCharm videos. This is the Protégé palette, and this is pretty. It's a pretty little palette. So it's got 7 shades in it. Or not 7, 8. 8 shades, and I'm imagining you can use these longer shades as highlights. Let me get some quick swatches for you guys. Alright, so there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright. They're okay. I expect, because this is the first highlight shade, the longer one. I expected it to be a little bit more creamy. This is called Era. It seems to be a bit more of a dry formula. So I'm going to swatch those 4. I'm not going to do a whole bunch. Might have to do a dedicated video. Let me know if you're interested. Oh, a day cream. I'm really into skincare, even though I don't really talk much about it, but I like trying different skincares, looking for, you know, stuff to, you know, keep me looking good for a long time. All right, so this is Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines and wrinkles. Firms, smooths, and hydrates. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Interested in trying this anti-wrinkle day cream. I'm getting down to the next layer. This is exciting. What are you going to take out next? This big thing here. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, fuck! Yes! This is like Christmas! This is like Christmas. Okay, I got a what is this? A complete face set by Luxie. And it's so interesting because I was going on their website looking at what brushes I might want to try because I was thinking about making a purchase, but I never did, and I'm happy I didn't. Because this is a complete face set. So it looks like it's got 4 eye brushes, if you would consider a spoolie an eye brush, and then a lip brush, and then 3 face brushes. And I've heard excellent things about Luxe brushes. These are super cute. So it's got like a nice copper handle. These are synthetic brushes, and then a nice like blush pink. I don't think so. I think I'm missing something. Look, what is this? Maybe not. Maybe I'm not. Maybe. Thank you. What the heck? That was weird. Oh, it's okay. All right. Thank you, Jesus. All right. So this is the lip brush. It comes like this to keep the lip brush clean. Pull it out. Use it. Or stick it there so you can have a full-sized lip brush. I see. Okay. All right. And so then we've got the 3 face brushes right here. Next we have Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. Grand Cosmetics. And this is the Grand Mascara. Very nice packaging. I like the gold, brushed gold packaging. And the brush looks like a regular, like, what do you call it? Like a regular, like, fiber brush, you know, that's typical. Interested in trying that. We've got a Tartist Shimmering Lip Paint. Alright, this is pretty. Looks like a lip gloss. So let me swatch this for you. So it's got some purple, pink, gold, reflex. Very, like very lip topper-ish, okay? I guess you could get away with wearing it by itself, but this will be a perfect lip topper, I think. The last product. So surprising. Okay, this is the Violet Voss Pro Holy Grail palette. This is exciting. Crack this open. I've never tried any Violet Voss shadow, so that's one thing I'm like, think is pretty cool about the BoxyCharm. This is only my 3rd month doing this, that you get to try different brands of products that I probably never would have actually tried on my own. So let me pull this open. Oh wow, this is pretty. Very nice mirror. So here's what the palette looks like. Alright, you can see it's got a little bit of like a holographic touch to it. Okay, then here is the palette. I feel like it's more of the typical what we're used to seeing right about now, or in the recent months, and actually for a couple years, actually, quite honestly, because I'm thinking this gives me very much modern Renaissance teas, okay, with all the burgundy and orange type of shades. I am excited to have this. This looks like a very nice, very everyday type of palette. So very excited to try this. Never tried any Violet Voss shadows, so I'm excited to have it as part of my BoxyCharm this month. So this is the BoxyLuxe box. It was, I don't know if it's $28 extra that I paid, or if I paid $28 instead of $21. I feel like it might be $28 extra because it's a lot of stuff. But yeah, they do this quarterly, so yeah, that's what I signed up. I was curious to see what a BoxyLuxe box would be like, and I'm really impressed, okay? Very impressed. So let me know what you guys think about any of the products that I showed you guys. Are you a BoxyCharm subscriber? Are you a BoxyLuxe subscriber? Let me know, and let me know if you want to see any of the products that I pulled out of this box today. If you want to see a more in-depth review or first impressions, definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I will be talking to you guys very, very soon. See ya.